Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. My name's Andrea and this is Beauty with Andy. So we're going to do look 4 with the Profusion Festival palette. I did want to do this yesterday but I was quite ill, so yeah, I've kind of gone without makeup for the last couple of days. It's very late, it's early hours. What day are we on? Wednesday. Yeah, it's early hours Wednesday, so I've not worn makeup for a couple of days now and I've got 2 videos to film as well, so I thought I would do this. So basically I put makeup on to be taking it off again in an hour's time, but yeah, I thought I would do this and I thought I would use these shades down here because they're quite unique, and I want to save these shades for another video, so I'm not going to be using the turquoise and teals what are in the eyeshadow palette until a much later video. In a couple of weeks I'll be using it. You will see it on the channel. I've just got another idea for it. So today we're going to be using these shades down here, and I think maybe a lighter brown from here as well. So all these browns down, well, everything from this section here is all mattes, which I think they've done an amazing job. Like, they give you every matte brown that you could possibly need. So I think this palette is one of those palettes, if you don't have a lot of eyeshadow palettes in your collection, you could quite easily get by just using that palette alone, because it's got everything. It's got your neutrals, it's got your summer pops of colours. It's just a beautiful eyeshadow palette, and I like this. Right, so I like this better than I like the Wanderlust. I love the Wanderlust palette, but this one is my favourite so far of the Profusion cosmetics that I've tried. Let me turn that off. Right, best not. Right, so phone's off, so hopefully we won't be getting any more notifications. This hair's a mess. Sorry about that, guys. So yeah, hopefully we won't be getting any more notifications. So I'm gonna go in with Winning as normal. Let's take this paper out for a minute. So it's just that cream ivory shade there, the one that we've used all week. Let's get the mirror. It's like this palette has been made for me because they've put that cream ivory shade in. Okay, this one here. So that one is called, it's one of the shades we haven't used. It's called Likeable. So let's go in with a Smashbox brush. I'm just running it through the colour switch. I don't know whether that's a hair from the brush or what. It's not really pigmented, but I don't mind that. It's buildable. So just a little wash of colour. So I'm going to build it up on the other side as well, and then we'll add some other browns in. I did want to put some sticky tape on the side of my eyes just to try and get a sharper edge. Let's see if we can do it, because you can't really see that there's anything there anyway. Okay. I've not done this for a long time. Normally I just put the placement of the eyeshadows wherever I want. Right, so now then, what brown are we going in with? It's going to be one of these completely matte ones down this side. Maybe Campground and then Bossy over the top. So this one is Campground, that one's Bossy. Maybe I could use this side to place it. I think I'm just gonna do the same with the sticky tape on the other eye. And what I do is I just put it on the hand to get rid of all the sticky, just because obviously I don't want it to take half my skin away with it. Okay. So I put in an order on Beauty Bay and I was looking at all the sale items. I want to do a Wet n Wild. The reason this was prompted, I want to do a Wet n Wild. I've got in with the wrong shade because I'm trying to do two things at once. Yeah, so I did a Wet n Wild video not so long ago. I didn't have a lot of products, but I did it anyway, and yesterday I was getting ready to put it up over the next few days, and I watched it because I watch all my videos back just to make sure they're okay and that I'm happy with them. And this video was kind of like fast forwarded pretty much all the way through the video, so I'm like, I'm not putting that up because I sound like a mouse. My voice was really high pitched, like 5 times as fast as it would normally go. So I was on Beauty Bay today and I was just having a browse like you do, and he said that there was some products on sale from Wet n Wild, so I was looking so I was having a look on Beauty Bay on what was on sale, and they had the Bretman Rock Jungle Fever eyeshadow palette. Now I haven't watched any of Bretman Rock videos at this point, but I know who he is. I know that there's a lot of hype around him. So I thought, why not try the palette out? I mean, it was in sale as well. It should have been £15. It was £9.99 or £9.95. So I thought, why not, you know, order it. There was also some setting spray. I'm nearly out of my setting spray. It's not the rose one that I wanted. I think it's just the normal one in the white bottle, and that was £2.50. And I ordered a couple of other things and it came to less than £20, and I'm thinking, I'm not going to get free delivery. And for me, it's all about the free delivery because it was just under £20. I ordered some Wet n Wild Dewy Foundation because that was on offer. That was £3.50. And do you know the Colour Icon Reserve Your Cabana? They do the same one in Ticket to Brazil, so I've ordered that as well. And it came to just under £20, and I'm like, I'm not paying £3.95 for delivery. If it was like £15, I wouldn't really have bothered, but I was only like about just under £1. So then I went to have a look at eyeshadow brushes and I saw a blending brush, so I'm going to be trying out one of the blending brushes as well. So that should come probably in the next week. You'll probably see that haul before this even sees the light of day, but I just thought I'd mention it. So yes, we're going to be doing a Wet n Wild haul. I think I've got enough products then to do a complete face, full face of products, because I ordered a mascara as well. So yeah, looking forward to getting all those products. Right, let's get back into this. This one, I've obviously took too much of the stickiness away. Right, and then what I'm going to do is go in with Bossy. So that was that darker brown. Oh, that really is a darker brown. I'm going to run that through the crease. Yeah, that really is darker. Oh, why does this camera keep cutting out on me? I've got a bad feeling that it's just going to keep cutting out on me and out on me. And it's just going to go. And then I'm not going to be able to film, which just would leave me devastated. I know it's not the end of the world. It's kind of first world problems and everything, but I love interacting with you guys. Probably just have to do it on my iPhone. Either that or my iPad. I don't know which one would be actually better quality. Right, so now I want to go in with the accent brush. I don't even know what I'm doing in regards to shimmer. Right, let's go in with Maya, or Maya, this one here. Oh, that's nice. Right, to about there, because I'm putting a different colour in the inner portion of the eye. It's quite pigmented, but I want to see how much more pigmented I can get it. Where is that? Yes, here. Look at that, look how pretty it is. Right, and then I'm going to go in with Superstar, which is this one here. Just for the inner portion. Which really is not looking any lighter than that shade there. Looks like the same shade. So that's looking like that so far. So now we just need to put some eyeshadows on the bottom line. Sorry, the lash line. I think I'm just going to go in with them two that I used in the crease. I'm going to have to blend that out a little bit more. But the line is definitely there. It's blended out a little bit better, but you can't see the line anymore. Didn't like it anyway. Yeah, that's much better. Right, so now let's put on some eyeliner. I need to sharpen it. I'm not going to do eyeliner today. Just because I need to sharpen it, and the sharpener is in my everyday makeup drawer. We'll just put this on, this mascara. So we'll be doing the last look tomorrow. I don't know what I'm doing with that yet. Normally I would use a turquoise and teals. I probably would have done that today. But I've got a special look coming up on the channel that I really need to use them for. So this is what we're looking like so far. I'm just going to go and get a lip gloss, I think. My lips are kind of dry, so I might use, excuse me, I might use my Dior one, because that's really, really moisturising. It's like a lip balm, so let me go and get it. Yes, it gives me a chance to use some of it as well, because it is in Project Pan, and it's the tiniest bit. I've never used a whole lipstick up, so if I use this up I will be super impressed with myself. In fact, I tell a lie, well not a lie, but I've just remembered that I did have a lip gloss, like a nude lip gloss like this, and I did use all that up because I used to wear it religiously, and I didn't have a big lipstick collection 5 years ago. They've just kind of accumulated from nowhere. So yeah, this is the one I'm using now. I can't remember the one that I used up, it was in a tube. So this is the Dior Addict Lacquer Stick in 420 Underground. It really is a good lipstick, and like I said, it's like a lip balm and a lipstick. So yeah, you get the best of both worlds, and this is the eye look. I think the two shimmers I wore are very, very similar. Like in the inner corner here, you can't really distinguish the difference between what's on the rest of the lid. So yeah, I'm not a fan of that. I thought it would have been a little bit lighter. I guess we'll see more in the swatches. Gonna take me a while to do 35 eyeshadow swatches, but I'm gonna try tomorrow when I've done the last eye look. So yeah guys, this is day 4, look 4. Hope you've enjoyed this little mini series. If you've not already subscribed, I would love to have you as part of my little fam. Please click that subscribe button and notifications bell. Please like, share and comment, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.